This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Jenny Tanner. Beautiful home, nice, quiet neighborhood. House sits back off the street. Formal dining, new bamboo wood floors throughout. Huge backyard with a deck and hot tub that conveys with purchase. 4B/2B, very well kept. Laundry room, pantry. Move-in ready. If you want a peaceful area, great neighbors and room to put a man shed or possibly a nice pool. This is the one. A must-see. 1-year home warranty provided. For more information, review the details below or contact Jenny Tanner at 501-982-7474.